Hello and welcome to Krishi Jagran business platform that keeps you updated with all the agri news of the nation. This is Jyoti Singh. Let's talk about is poultry farming is one of the fastest growing agribusiness in India. So yes, poultry farming is a form of animal husbandry that involves raising and breeding domestic birds for various purposes such as egg, meat and feather production. It is a vital part of agriculture in India and has a long history for development. Over time, it has transferred from disorganized and non-scientific approach to a well-organized commercial and scientific system. To support the growth of poultry farming in country, the Indian government has introduced the National Livestock Mission. The initiative aims to promote and strengthen the poultry farm business in India. Additionally, the government provides financial assistance and support to households with limited financial means to encourage them to start their own poultry farm business. Overall, poultry farming plays a significant role in India's agricultural landscape and continues to see increasing support and investment from the government. Let's come know about the benefits of poultry farming. It is an excellent income generation source. It requires small capital investment compared to other business forms. It leads to an increase in employment opportunities. The business license can be acquired easily. It has a quick return to investment. There is always a demand for eggs and meat. Thus, it is a continuous source of income. It requires fewer utility items like water, electricity, heat, etc. than other business forms. Section of sector and birds. Let's know about what are the section of sectors and birds. After making a business plan, you should finalize the sector you cater to, such as meat production, chicken breeding, poultry feed production, egg and meat process, etc. Usually, poultry farms raise birds like domestic chicken or fowl as broilers and goose. Duck, peacock, quail, pigeon or turkey as layers. The three common categories of chicken in India are as follows. Broiler chicken. They have a high growth rate and reach a fully grown stage in 8 weeks. They also have a high quantity of meat. Layer chickens. They are a unique breed under hens. They begin laying eggs from 18 to 19 weeks and can continue until 72 to 78 weeks. They can produce above 250 eggs each year. Roaster chicken. They are called cockerel when they are young and known as roaster when they become adult. They take time to grow but guard the hens that lay eggs because of their territorial instinct. So if we talk about cost of poultry farming, the cost you incur for starting a poultry business depends on the business size or scale. In India, the approximate cost involved in establishing a poultry business is as follows. For a small scale poultry farm, around Rs 50,000 to Rs 1,50,000. For a medium scale poultry farm, around Rs 1,50,000 to Rs 3,50,000. For a large scale poultry farm, around 7 lakh to 10 lakh. Poultry farming is a lucrative business in India. Within 6 months, many birds start laying eggs, reaching the break-even point. Profits vary depending on the farm size, but even small-scale operation can yield decent earning. That's all for today's news. For more updates on agri news, stay tuned with Krishi Jagran Business.